Now we are going to take up one more problem on projections of lamina. Problem number 126, how to solve this problem by using AutoCAD software. The problem reads as a circular lamina of 50 mm diameter rests on HP such that one of its diameter is inclined at 30 degrees to VP and 45 degrees to HP. Draw its top and front views in this position. So this is the problem and the solution is here. We need to transform that like this by using AutoCAD software. So to do that, first we'll go for the AutoCAD screen, switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. The command is limits. So lower left corner 0, 0, upper right corner, so to take 297, 210, then zoom on, take line, select some arbitrary point, take the distance as 297. Select this and take this as 210 and you select on this side and type 297 and then say close. Then go to zoom extends and zoom 0.6x. Then go to layer. So click on new layer, take the layer by name XY, enter. Click on new layer, take the layer by name front view, enter. Click on new, take the layer by name top view TV, enter. So the line weight of layer 0, which is projector lines, which is 0.05. XY line will going to have layer which is 0.13, and front view, all the front view lines will be of 0.5. So the layer will have the line weight of 0.5. All the top view lines is also having 0.5, so it will be having 0.5. The color of this is magenta, and the front view will going to have blue, and say OK and say close. Now to do that, first we are going to consider the circle of diameter 50. Then go to circle, take select some arbitrary point, select diameter option and take 50, and then go to PD mode, take 3, and then go to divide the circle into 12 equal points, so 12 number of segments. So you're going to get this. Then go to line, draw a horizontal line of any distance, then go to zoom window, then go to line, take note of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to node, select this, draw perpendicular to this, then go to line, take note of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Similarly, line, take note of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to erase this entire thing by removing from the selection circle and delete this. Then go to fillet between this and this line, fillet between these two, then go to select, then go to layer, make this layer as front view, escape, and you just go to layer, click on make this layer as top view and escape. Now switch on the line weight display, then go to break this first point, take int of this and say at the rate, then break first point, take int of this and say at the rate, then go to mirror, select this entire thing and you select all these three, then go to nearest point on this and mirror with reference to this, then go to zone previous. Now you just copy to the second position by 45 degrees, then go to copy, select the first position front view and copy to the next position, and then go to rotate, select this entire thing, then go to end point. So take end point of this rotation angle by 45 degrees, then go to zoom window, then go to line, take end point of this and draw a vertical line. Similarly, take end point of this and draw a vertical line. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to trim, select these two as the cutting edges and object to trim as this. Then go to line, take end point of this and draw a vertical line. Similarly, take end point of this and draw a vertical line, and take intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. So then just go to trim, select this as the cutting edge and object to trim as these two. Then go to line, take end point of this and then you take end point of these two now. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Similarly, line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to trim, select this as the cutting edge and object to trim as these two. the trim, select this as the cutting edge, and object to trim as this. Then go to line, take end point of this and draw a vertical line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Similarly, then go to line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to fillet between these two. Now you just go to ellipse command, take center of this, take the center point option, take INT of this, axis endpoint of ellipse, you take this, specify other endpoint of axis as this. Then go to select, then go to layer, make that layer as top view. Now you just go to break first point, take INT of this and say at the rate, then break first point, then take INT of this and say at the rate. Then go to break, select this, first point, take INT of this and say at the rate. Then break, select first point, take INT of this and say at the rate. Then break, select first point, take INT of this and say at the rate. So now we've broken all the horizontal vertical lines. Now we will going to break the horizontal lines. Go to break first point, take INT of this and say at the rate. Then break, select this first point, take INT of this and say at the rate. Then break, select this first point, take INT of this and say at the rate. Then break, select this first point, take INT of this and say at the rate. Then break first point, take INT of this and say at the rate. Now we have line, take INT of this and draw a horizontal line, and take line, you take this and you copy this. Now what we need to do is you draw a line inclined at an angle of 30 degrees now, and then find the apparent inclination. So to do that, so first we need to go to DDIM, then go to modify. So go to primary units, take the precision as up to second decimal point, and go to text, take the text height as 3, align with the dimension line, centered becomes above, take this dimension as 3, symbols and arrows, take the arrow size as 3, and then go to lines, take the offset from the origin as 3, OK, and say close. Now we go for dim, take INT of this and take intersection point of this now. So here, so you keep this dimension here 35.36. Then you just go to line, take nearest point and take at the rate 100 less than minus 30 degree. Then go to circle, take nearest point on this, take the rate, circle, take the nearest point on this, take the radius as 50, then go to line, take INT of this and draw a horizontal line, and then break this line or circle here, then go to erase. Then go to circle, take center of this, take the radius as 35.36. Then go to break, select this line and you select this line. Then just erase it, and similarly we erase this also. Then go to copy, select this entire thing, then go to intersection point of this, take center of this now. Then just go to rotate, select this entire thing, rotate previous, rotate, then go to last, rotate, select this entire thing, then remove from that selection is this, okay. Then enter, specify base point, INT of this. So reference, take this, specify the reference angle, by default 0 degree, yes. Then you take the new angle as intersection point of this. So once you do that, so you will going to get this. So you just go to trim, select this and trim this. So you just go to break, select this and you break this. Now you just go to layer, click on new layer, take the layer by name locus, then you will make that locus line also as so you just go to load, make that dash dot line, okay, and click on dash dot and say okay, and that layer should have 0.05, okay, so close it. Now you just go to layer, make that layer as locus layer, and then go to line weight as 10. So once you do that, now we will going to draw the sketch now. So to do that, so you will just go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to line, take int of this, and then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to fillet between these two. Similarly, then go to line, take int of this and draw horizontal line. So which are those two lines? Those two lines will come here. So you take perpendicular to this and then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to these two lines. Then go to fillet between this line and this line. Similarly, line, take int of this. Which are those two lines? Those two lines will come here now. Perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this here. Then go to fillet between these two now. Then go to line, take int of this, and then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to fillet between these two now. Then go to line, take int of this and draw horizontal line. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two lines. So this is how we will be able to start drawing the projections. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Similarly, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to fillet in these two. So once you do that, now we just go to line. So now you join all these things by means of a simple intersections of all these 12 points. We need to join first, then convert those lines into single entity, then fit it into a curve so that you will going to get this. Then go to line, take int and take int and take int and then take int and then close. Then go to p-edit, select this entire drawing, then go to convert into one, join, select this entire thing and then go to p-edit, select this as the fit curve. So once you do that, now you just go to select this, go to layer, make that layer as front view. So then go to break this line till here and you break this line till here. Now we go for DDIM, then go to modify, then go to primary units. So precision you make it 0 and say OK and say close. Now you go to dim, take int of this and take intersection point of this. So you are going to go to text. So here type percentage C, which is the diameter symbol. So you mark this as 50. Then go to angular. So dim, go to angular, select between this line and this line. You are going to get it as 45 degrees. Then go to angular between this and this. So you are going to get it as 30 degrees. Again go to angular, select between these two. So here go to text, space, and here you enter it. So then go to dim TED, extended dimension, you select this and keep it here and you take 30 degrees and you keep it here. Then go to the text, put the caps lock on, rotate the text height as 3 and say X, and this is VP and this is HP and this is Y. Once you do that, you mark this small A, D, G and K. Here we have A dash, here we have D dash, here you have G dash and here you have K dash now. Once you do that, then go to move, switch off this ortho mode, you take Y and you take X, you take VP, you take HP, you take A, you take D, you take K, you take G, you take A dash, you take D dash, you take K dash, you take G dash. Then you just select this. You just go to layer, make that layer as front view. So you take this HP, A, D, G and K, go to layer, make that layer as top view. Then just go to copy. So go to A dash, then you copy this D dash, you copy this K dash, you copy this G dash, you copy this A here, and that A will come here, and this D, and that D will come here, and this G will come here, and that G will be here. Copy K, that K will come here. Then go to D text. So here you will get A dash, here you will going to get D dash, here you will going to get G dash, and here you will going to get it as K dash. So once you do that, then go to move. So move this K dash here, so D dash here, then A dash, and G dash here. So you just click on this D dash, K dash, G dash, then go to layer, make that layer as front view. So this is how you will be able to create this drawing by using AutoCAD software. Then go to in text. So here you type it as format, select this as symbol, you type it as beta B, small beta B. Then just go to move, select this, move this here. So this is how you will be able to create this drawing, and then go to zoom previous and zoom window. This is your final solution. Thank you very much.